The right way to choose art objects for at home. Among them are electric welding crafts. In this video, decorating a house is not just adding furniture, DIY items, do-it-yourself, and furniture. You can try different ways, namely by installing paintings that will be displayed at home or other art objects such as the following welding arts crafts. The existence of art objects in the house certainly makes every room look more beautiful and has high artistic value. But choosing art items is certainly not as easy as it looks. You have to really choose the one that best suits every room. This is because every house and art item has its own characteristics that must be adjusted. Here's how to choose the right piece of art for every room in the house. 1. Kitchen. Do not place art near the stove or other cooking utensils, as this can damage it. The kitchen is one place that might be quite difficult to display works of art. This is because there are quite a lot of things in the kitchen, especially items that are hanging out. But that doesn't mean it can't be done. You can still place art objects appropriately. You can place it on a wall or a slightly empty room. Do not place art near the stove or other cooking utensils, as this can damage it. Try to place it near the refrigerator, cupboard, and even the door. You can choose art objects in the form of funny or motivational writing. 2. Bedrooms. The paintings in the bedroom will certainly make anyone calmer and more comfortable. The bedroom is one of the rooms that is often decorated with paintings. This room will look more beautiful and aesthetic with the presence of these works of art. Therefore, you can put 1 or 2 paintings or photos in the room. Then you can place it on the wall where there is still space available. You can choose a painting with an abstract design or use pastel colors that are soothing. You can also place it on the bed or in easy reach of the eye. The paintings in the bedroom will certainly make anyone calmer and more comfortable. 3. Workspace. The positive atmosphere of the artwork is certainly very important to build a working mood. If your house chooses a workspace, then the presence of paintings can help the job. Why is that? In the workspace, there are several paintings that can be an inspiration and even encouragement. For example, paintings with motivational words will certainly be very helpful when you are tired of work. The positive atmosphere of the artwork is certainly very important to build a working mood. Apart from paintings, there are several other works of art that you can use. For example, carvings, photos, ceramics, displays, and many others. Choose the artwork that suits your needs and preferences. 4. Living room. Choose the work of art that you like best and can roughly describe your family too. The living room becomes a room that looks like a must-have a work of art. This room is a picture of the entire contents of the house and the people who live in it. A living room that looks personal and describes the owner of the house will give a deep impression to the guests who come. Therefore, it is important to place some artwork in the living room of your house. Some people may put up some paintings with pictures of animals such as tigers, deer, lions, horses, birds, and many others. Some also put up some handicrafts in the form of jars, plates, and other carving items. Choose the work of art that you like best and can roughly describe your family too. Thank you for watching.